we're going to do a quick oil change on a 2009 4-liter V6 Ford Ranger. So let's get started. First, I have to bring that out of the garage. Okay, let's get started. We'll be changing with 5W30 in there and doing a filter change as well. So the products I'm using is a semi-synthetic oil with a Fram filter. That is the filter, and that is the oil that I'm using. I'm using high mileage. This vehicle has 190,000 kilometers on it. So let's get started. So drain plug is right in this area, so I'll take that off. Just want to jack it up enough so you can fit underneath it. So what I've got there is the jack holding it up, and then for a little bit of extra safety, got the jack stand. I've just loosened the oil pan drain plug and letting the oil drain into the catch pan. When it's draining, I also like to take off the cap as well, filler cap. Allows it to have a more complete drain. Filters up in that area. So just waiting for more oil to drain, and then we'll grab the filter, which is up there. I don't like to go too hard on these once they make the seal. Don't crank them on too hard. Should do it. With this one, I'm fortunate that I can use a setup like this where this will fit on the oil filter and it's too easy to turn it off, to unscrew it. It's called the Super Graphite Oil Filter Wrench. Okay, I like to take this filter out and then make sure that the seal or the gasket here is okay, and then I'll put some new oil on that before installing it. So let's go ahead and do that. So I've got the new oil here. What I'll do is I'll just dip my finger in it, grab a bit of it, and put it on the top here, just to help give it a nice seal. It's lubricated. It's good to go. Now I'm going to go down and stick the filter on. So what I'll be doing here is, I've got oil on here, just be careful when you thread it on here. Right, we've got the filter in, and we're ready to put some oil in this. And to check it, which the dipstick is over here, right down there. Okay. This truck takes a complete jug. Stick the lid back on. I'll come over here and I'll check just to make sure we've got a reasonable level in there. So the dipstick comes out of this side, left-hand driver's side, and there's a couple notches there. The oil just has to be in between those two dots, and it should be. I'm going to lower the truck from the jacks and then also check it. So it's a little bit high, but once I get it off the jacks and leveled out, it should be okay. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, it's pretty much in the middle. One more time. Okay, good. So we're going to close it down. That essentially wraps it up for doing a quick oil change on a 2009 4-liter V6 Ford Ranger. Pretty straightforward. I hope this video helps out. And if you see it, shoot me a like. Appreciate that. See you. Thanks.